Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the project I made for ABE 205 at the University of Arizona. It was a Matlab project, and what I did was I made a frequency calculator where a user can enter in the length, mass, and tension in a string, and it calculates the frequency and shows the respective note that would be produced. Yeah, so let's get started. Now it's asking for the length of the string in centimeters. So let's say I have a 10 centimeter string. The mass, let's say the mass is 5 grams and the tension is 500 newtons. Just press enter and I'll get to the graph later, but over here it shows that the frequency produced is 500 hertz and the respective note would be a B in the 4th octave. Okay, and then the graph that pops up, it shows how the frequency would change as you shorten the length of the string. So it starts at the length that you entered and goes all the way down to 0 because like with a guitar, usually the tension stays the same and the mass stays the same, and what you can change is the length of the string by putting your finger down on each fret. So by shortening the string, as you can see, the frequency increases, which would produce a higher pitched note. And I'll just run you through a couple examples. Let's say this time the length is 40 centimeters, weight about 10 grams, and tension would be something really low, like 20 newtons. Then it shows that the frequency would be around 35.3 hertz, and the note produced would be a C sharp in the 1st octave. And once again, the graph is the same concept. Now let's say that with the parameters entered, if the frequency is too low or too high where it doesn't produce a recognizable note, then that'll pop up something different. So let's say the length is 300 centimeters, the weight is 30 grams, and the tension is 50. See, it still shows that the frequency produced would be 11.78, but then it also shows that there's no note that corresponds to that frequency because it's way too low. And that also pops up a graph just in case if you can change the length of the string, it'll increase the frequency. Well, that's my Matlab project. Thanks for watching. Bye.